Hello traders, welcome back for another video. It's your boy here, Trader Deriv Salongo. So today's video I'm going to show you how you can scalp or trade volatility 75 and master all the secrets in forex trading or in trading this volatility 75 index. So this is going to be a long video, so make sure to stick with me at the end so that you can understand a step-by-step process. So without further ado, let us do it, guys. So and now we have a volatility 75 index chart, and we are on Deriv TradingView, and we are on high time frame as the highest time frame on the TradingView of Deriv, which is a daily time frame. So as well, we will start with the step number one to make a top-down analysis. So I want to show you how you can do the top-down analysis, guys. When we do top-down analysis, we start from the high time frame, which is daily, weekly and monthly. But in this trading view, we have only a daily time frame, and that is what we need, because some of us we are scalpers, most of us we are scalpers, others we are intraday traders, others we are day traders. We don't need the weekly and we don't need the monthly time frame. This daily time frame, it's also enough for us to make our top-down analysis. So the top-down analysis, it means that to start from the high time frame, you come looking the behavior and the characteristics of the market, how it behaves, so that you can understand the movement, the movements patterns. So that will help you to know from the high time frame, and then you come to H4, you come to H1, you see each time frame how it performs, how it moves, so that you can get to be used on those patterns what been making from different time frame, so that they can fit on your trading style. Are you getting that the point? So right now we are on high time frame, which is daily. We are going to see the conditions of the market, or how the market is behaving. What we have to do now, we can see that the characteristics of this and now market, it have been making the lower lows and lower highs. If we can see that more days we have been in this overall down trend. If you can see that from here up to this side, we are on a long down trend. But now we can see, now we have we can see here, we have break this trend line. If we can do like this, very well, do you see that? So we can see that we have break this trend line, and we have come back in daily and made a retest around this area, guys. You can see that this was a breakout, and this we have here a support. When the market came here and it goes up, came back, and at this area move up, come back again, and then it moves up. We have 1, 2, 3 touches, we break, we'll test, we retested this the favorable gap in a daily time frame, and then we come down, we start making the lower lows and lower highs. So you can see that we have break this overall trend line here, and then we move we come back and make a retest, and then it's like we are going up, guys. So we are just anticipating around this area that the market, if it will respect this what it have did, it can start making the high highs and high lows, which means we can change the bias from going down the sell trend, and then we start to see that we start seeing the uptrend method. So this will not be confirmed until we break this high what we have here right now, because if you can see very well here right now, guys, we have our last high here, because here we made a low at around this area. Here we have a low here, and then we made here a high. We made here a little high, you can see it here, we have a high, and here we made a low. Now we're expecting, if we break this to make what, to make a new high. We come back to make this a retest around this area that we confirm us. Now we have starting to go what, we have started to move up by making the high highs and what, and high lows, guys. So this will show us that now the market have changed from this downtrend, and now we are going to start going up to make what, to make a uptrend. We are just doing that it can happen, but it have not yet been getting what, it have not yet been confirmed that it can do this, guys, because we are still having here something that it have not been what, it have not been happen. If we can see very well, let me clear this chart and then I show you something, because we are still having something which have not completed to confirm that we have moving from what, from this downtrend, and then we are going to start the massive uptrend. Why? Because we have here a big what, a big zone, a big resistance. If we can see that we have this resistance from this side, if we start from here and then we bring this like this, you see all of that, it is what, it is a resistance, guys. If you can see very well, we have a big resistance here that the market has been playing around of this resistance for a while. The market has come, you can see the market came here, made a low, come up, come here, made a retest, try to go up, file, come down, break, come, and made also a retest, again come down, come, made a retest, and then goes down. So this is a really strong key level here around this area, which means if we start to see that we are going upwards, we have to break all of this support. It's supposed to be broken. If this support it is not broken, we are still on what, we are still on a downtrend. Remember, we are still on what, on a daily time frame. If you can see this, that this support, if it have not broken, we are still in a downtrend. So we have to see in a daily that the market have come very well, like now it does here, making the high here, it made here a low, and now we want to see that the market breaks this, come above of this what, resistance, and then we come back, we make a retest of this resistance to become a support, and then we do what, we go upward. We have to see that the moment we see that in a daily time frame, it will already confirm that now the trend it have what, it have moved from the downtrend to the uptrend. Now this is what, now we are just analyzing, we are just what, making analysis. We are not back testing here, we are doing what, we are making analysis to see that what is the big picture of this volatility 75. That is what we see. So if this it have not happened, this will happen here, guys. Something here will happen, because now we are on the resistance. Let me remove this trend line. Because guys, we are on this resistance, something can happen, because you can see here we had a massive sell, because sellers, they are still here. You can see around this area they have just shown us, and then we had what, we have here a bearish engulfing here. You can see it, a bearish engulfing, which engulfed this. This engulfing, all of those are what, are sellers. And if we can see around this area, we have what, are big sellers for the day 1, day 2, day 3. All of those are sellers. All of this trend here, it was full of the sellers. The buyers, there was so little. Are you getting the point? Here around this place is the buyer which intervened in the market. They did this so that they can make what, a market balance, to see the market is moving in a balanced way. That's why you can see like this. And if we can see very well that after feeling this, after balancing this, the market get balanced, but here there is also a big what, a big place which have left without getting what, getting balanced. And if you can see very well how these candles have been moving, they have been moving, they have been lifting some gaps which are not filled. This could be already what, an uptrend when these candles were supposed to be filled. If the market has moving up and then it have filled all of these candles which are around here, which have made what, which have made a wick in a bull in a bull market. This here, I'm talking about these ones, this week, these daily candles which have been already filled. They can show that now we are on a bull market. But if they were how they have not filled and they have been lifting a lot of a lot of favorable gaps. You can see here we had this favorable gap here, and then we also have another one here. You can see that we also have another one here, favorable gap. We also have another here, also is a favorable gap, but which means all of these favorable gaps are acting like a magnet. They have to pull this market come back. The market have to be pulled and come back, fill all of these favorable gaps to see that when they get filled, it's when the market will change its direction, to see that whether it comes and start making the high highs and high lows, or it breaks this support here. If it breaks that support, then the market will continue with its overall downtrend. That's what I'm seeing right now. So what do we do? How can we trade right now? How can we trade about this process if we can see right now? So what we have to do, we have to dive into low time frame. Now we don't stick about the buy. We have to see what the market tells us exactly is what we do with. Are you getting that point? So let me also clear again this chart, and then we proceed to the low time frame, and we see what the market is telling us now. Those ones who are willing to swing this market, we have to wait here. We have to wait. Are you getting the point? So let me also remove these ones, favorable gaps. There. So here, before you diving in, whom you wish to swing this market to take it down with the overall trend, you see we still having here a zone. You can see this one, it have not broken, and now it have just tested. After tested, and after the market testing this zone, we can see that the market it have starting making this big rejection. Today, now when I'm recording this video, we can see the market now it is pulling back, which means it is respecting this key zone. And if we can see that we have already made the eco highs, what we can call that, those are the double tops, guys. So if this day close down of this key zone area, if this day close down of this area, close down of this area, and the day close it down, if that happen, it will totally show us that the market it will still continue with overall downtrend. It will not change this trend, even though our trend line has been broken, so that it was broke it and come back and retest it, and it shows that it will continue to moving up. It might not go there. Are you getting the point? It might not go there because this around this area showing that as a double tops or equal highs, which are confirming that a reversal pattern. And when this reverse pattern happen of the double top, if we can see clearly here, it's where there is its neckline. You see, if that confirmed, and then just know here around this area we have that neckline, the market will pull back up to this area, guys. And when this area get broken, then will something happen like this. It will come here and break that. After breaking, come back and make it a retest, and then continue making the lower lows and the lower highs. That will happen. Do we need to wait this? You have to diving into the low time frame, and then you do what? You try to find the entry, and I'm going to show you that, guys. So per now we have done to do what? To do our analysis. We have done to do our analysis. We have seen that now we have here a key zone, and a key zone we not looking for the buys. The buys, they will be so little. Are you getting the point? Even though we can use other trading styles that we can scalp around here, but the buys, they will be so, and we will be so risking according to what we see on higher time frame, because we are on a big key level. The market have hit many times. If you can see that here, we hit it for the first time, we hit it for the second time, and this third time it will not break out. If it breaks out, it will be so, I don't know how we can say, it will be so a gold. If it breaks that, we know the change. Now it have changed, we jumping in and we continue with that, but we have to stick around to see that until we get the confirmations of a sale, we just sell. We have to wait around this zone, guys, even though I see the green lights of the buying buyers. Are you getting the point? I see the green lights of the buying buyers, so we have to keep looking for the sales. So let us go to the low time frame, which is going to be the H4. Is going to be what? Is going to be our H4. When you go in our H4, this is what we can see. Let me click here on H4. So we are on H4. This is what we have here right now. So you can see that the market, it have come very well here, and now we have a big rejection. If we can do like this, this was our last high candle here, and then we do like this. You can see that, do you see that? This is our order block. The market come and respect it. So we have a lot of here. So before we diving into to see that we catch the sales here as a sniper entries, we can see that the market, it have come and tapped in. The market have come here like this, come back, don't feel it, come down, and then comes back, tapped into this order block for the first time and pushed up. When pushed up here, we had what? We had a liquidity which was slipped here. Are you getting the point? Inside of this order block, and then this for the second time we have come and sweeps this liquidity. Those who sold here, those who sold here, those who sold around this area, and their stop loss was about this side. Now all of those, they have took them out, and there are still people here who pushed this market down like this. They are still here. So if the market protect these orders, sell orders which are here, they are not going to take them out. Are you getting the point? They are not going to take them out, so they will come and take these ones. Are you getting? The buyers now who push this up to sweep this liquidity. After sweeping this liquidity, so to take our trades, we have to wait. They sweep this here low. After sweeping this here low, then they come back to make what? To make this retest, and then we continue going down. This is what we have to first wait. Those who are going to swing the market are getting in H4. We have to wait that. So if that has not happened, we have to wait the market break all of this. We have to wait the market break all of this zone before we took our trade. Are you getting the point? We have to break all of this zone, and then we wait the retest, and then we continue to look for the what? For the for the buy opportunities. So let us continue scaling down, and we see what the market tells us. Let us go to the H1. We're still digging deep, and then we see every time frame what is telling us. Yes, every time frame what tells us. Let me first clean this. Very well. Delete everything. So, and we see, so we are in H1, and we have cleaned everything, guys. So this is H1, bro. So here we are on H1, and we can see that the market, it's still at the like in H4 how was telling us. So we are still looking for the sales. If we are looking for the sales, this is what we have to do. This is what we have to do. Let us get our counter trend here. We connect this and this one like this, like this. this is our counter trend, what we have here in H1. So and we clone this, we clone it to upward like that. Do you see? So if we can see that in H1 is showing us up bias, it's showing what? So things, they are not lying in the same way. The daily time frame is showing us the downtrend. We have a double top, and then we have what? We have a sell bias in higher time frame. But now when we come in a low time frame, we're still having what? We're still having things, they are not going in the same direction. We have what? We have a trend, because you can see that the H1 is making the what? Is making the high highs and high lows. If you can see that around this area, the market came, we will made here a high, came here, made a low, and made a high here, made a low, and then we made a high. And so if we can try to see that around this area, we have a sort of what? A sort of like consolidation like this. You see, we have a sort of arranging market. What we can say that this is now the market, it is on accumulation phase. Are you getting the point? We have an accumulation point here in H1. So this accumulation, we have to be very keen. We have to be very keen with this accumulation phase, which means here market can fake us, whether take us up or take us down. So we have to wait. This accumulation, something happen. All of this, we need something happen to continue with the buy. This should be broken, come back and make a retest here, and then we go up. If that has not happened, we have to wait here. Something also come and break this resistance, this support here. The market come and break it, come back and inside here, and then maybe a retest. It can retest here, it can retest inside everywhere when it tests, or maybe it can retest this trend line like that, and then we come down. Do you see? So we have to wait this. We have to wait this H1 shift from the uptrend and come to what? Come to the downtrend. So we have to wait, because H1 now is telling us we are still in uptrend. So if we are still in uptrend, we have to follow now the H1 who are going to scalp. We trade this, because we will go with this. This is the trend, what we have to go with. Are you getting the point? In H1, so we follow this, which means we are going to be looking for the what? For the buy opportunities. But remember, we are on the big key zone, what we drawn on high time frame. Around this area, there is a key zone, and there is an order block. The market, it is there. That's why we can see that here at around this area, we have a lot of accumulations. Accumulating. The market is here still still accumulating too much, guys. So here we have to be so keen. We don't trade today, we leave the market not to trade it, or we can say what will happen, and you diving in, guys. You see. So what I see here, we can do like this. If we can see here very well that this area here, when the market made high, made a low, made a high, made a low, made a high, we break this area here. This area was broken, swept up, and then after that broken, we can see that also this last low high here was what? Was broken like this. So after breaking this lower low, this confirms us that now we are moving to the sell what. So if that happens, and then we have to start looking for the sell, where was supposed to be our entry. Our entry, we have to take this order block here from the week, and then all of this green candle, which was our last green candle, including this red candle, and then we take it to the right like this. We take it to the right side like this, and we see. So do you see also in H1 we are still on this order block like that. You can see we have filled all of this order block at exactly what? At exactly 90%. at exactly 90% filled the order block, and it would supposed to be what, at least like 50% filled, but the order block was filled, all of it. And inside of this order block we are still making the high highs. You can see that even though the order block filling, we don't see the pressure which is trying to do what, which is trying to come down. We are not breaking any low here. We feel the order block. We just here is when we have broke, but now we are breaking these highs. We could be respecting them after hitting the order block. You can see these ones. So this, only this, it's the one to so come and start breaking these lows, because if you can see these high lows are still respected. You see, from this area we are not breaking any low, we are respecting. We just come to fill this favorable gap here. After filling this favorable gap, we came and break this. We took these highs, we came back to fill to get another orders. We came and then we see break this high. We have come back to fill this, and then we have not came back to fill this area. Do you see that? The moment we came back and fill this area and get respected, that's not that we have to break above. If that happen, it will break above. Are you getting the point? So we have to wait. We have to wait, because the market now, it's still on H1 order block and it is on the zone. Do you see that? So because it is on this key zone, we have to wait to see that the market, it have come back to break. It have come back to break these things, guys, to break these lows which are here. Let me clean up this. So for us to start taking here sales, we have to wait to see that the market, it have come back to break this, because it's like our confirmation to start looking for the sale. Because this side, if you can look this on left, that we have what, we have a signal. This was our signal to show us that the market now is what, is going down. If we can get our trend line, let me look at this. If we can get our trend line here, if we can get our trend line and we draw in a trend line here like this, like that way, you can see that the market here was still respecting this uptrend. And then when this happened around this area, when this happened, it was a signal so that the market, it's what, it's changing. Now we are looking for the sales. How do we know that it is a signal that the market is looking for the sales? This was a signal, market looking for the sales, because we can see that it broke this area here, this which was making the high highs, breaking the high highs, respecting the high lows, but the market came and then start in disrespecting what, these lows. You can see that this lows here was disrespected, and also this low here was what, taken out, disrespected. Do you see? This was a signal showing us that the market now, it have changed. Also this low here was disrespected. Do you see? So this was enough signal to tell us that the market now is what, is now going down. What we have to do now to look the opportunity. You can see that's why we used this order block here. We use this order block here to find what, find opportunity. We have to wait the market come back inside of this order block, and then we take what, we take a sniper entry. You see? So here it is this was what, this was a signal. This was a signal to show us that the market is going up, so that we can position ourselves, and then we find the best key zones where we can take what, where we can take the market before we jumping in, and then we be ready. We wait the market to come to our side, not we to be or to rush and then the market do what, the market brush us. Always position yourself, wait the market, wait the opportunity to come towards to you. Always do that. Unfortunately, most of we just rush, because we have seen here a breakout on high time frame, and then you just execute in. You can execute that, and then yes, who executed around this area from here, around this area from here, who executed there. After this, he made some bags, but who still waiting the confirmations here will make a lot of bags more than that one. And those one who just wanted to take down and then he jumped it, now you are what, you are on break even. Your break even was hit home. Now you are still seeing the drawdown. Are you getting the point? Now you are in a drawdown. So you can now you are like on pressure. Always make sure to position yourself so that you can understand exactly what you are doing with a peaceful mind. Do you see that, bro? So if you do that, everything will be easy and will be good to go. So let us go back to the point as well. So the market, remember, took off this area, what now gives us our indication, or what shows us as an indicator that market broke this area here. We marked it, and then we have to mark the previous low high, which pushed this up. Do you see this? We not counting it, because yes, we can count it, but it is a minor high low. This, do you see this? It's a minor. So the major, this one, we have to count this major like this. Then draw here our line or something. This is our major, a major low which was taken out. So after that, this was an indication, and then we are waiting here on our on our order block to see what will happen. Now we can see right now that the market is still making rejections. So when the market here making rejection, what we have to see that the market, what it did here, it have made a low here, made a high. You can see that around this place that the market did something like this. Here the market here made a big low, made here a high. So we let us take this here, made here high, came and made here low, and then it have made here a high. So now what we have to wait, because the market it have takes this off, we wait. Now we are looking for the confirmations here. Now what we are waiting now, we have to wait that this price here, this H1, come and take this low. Are you getting the point? You can mark this, or we mark this one, or we mark this area. So it's better to get more big confirmation. So much, let us take this, that we wait the market to come and take off this like this. If it takes that off, if it takes this one or this one, let's say that it takes this off. After taking that off, we have to wait it comes and we feel this here order block. Are you getting the last buying candle in minute 30? So if we are going to stick on H1, what we have to do, we are going to go in a line chart, and then we get here what we can say our sniper area zone at around this place, guys. So we wait the market come back inside here about of this sniper zone area, and then we take the market downward. Are you getting the point? That's what we are going to be waiting. The key to be taken out, the level what we have to wait to be taken out, we have to wait this area here to be taken out. 104,847, we have to wait that to be taken out, or we have to wait this 104,320. Those two levels to be taken out, and that is when we will jumping into the what? We will jumping into the sale opportunities, guys. And when that happen, bro, when that happen, don't leave the market. Bring it down seriously. Catch it until you bring it back until this area. Do you see, up to this low here? It will come back. The market is going to come back if that happens, because it have confirmed us, and you have seen that there is a lot of accumulation around this area. Are you getting, guys? There's a lot of accumulation here, and we have the confirmation that the market wants to go down, and another confirmation we have a big key zone, another confirmation we have a double tops in a low time frame. Are you getting a point? In a key zone we have order block on high time frame, we have a key zone, a resistance zone also, which have been tested more than 2 times. Are you getting the point? That there is a lot of conflicts which are lining at the same position at same times, and all of them they are showing us what, or the same bias, and which are lining that with what, with the overall trend of this VIX75 index. So this is what we have to wait here. this is what we do. What we have to wait to see that the market makes that. If it makes that, we have to go all in, and then yes, yeah, we crash it, we take it down, and if that happen, bro, make sure to use the money management risk. It depends how much do you have on your account, bro. Don't risk a lot because you have got this. The market is always be there. You only need what, one single trade a day. It will be enough for you. The only thing it is to risk small and you gain big, and tomorrow you come back, like that. You keep consistent. If you can make $10 every single day in a month, that will be what, $300, rather than to make $100 in 3 days, your account will be blown. Are you getting the point? So what we need here, to be consistent, to be with patience, to be with the discipline. Always look something easy to you, easy to understand. I hope if you have got something, if you have learned something, make sure to say yes, I have learned something in a comment. And bro, I want to know the style what you are using, or the strategy which you are using to trade this VIX75 index. Also drop it down there in the comment section. We can learn also from you guys. Make sure drop your strategy there in the comment section. We also learn from you guys. Are you getting the point? So that was the way how you can look for the entry, and then we do what, we swing. We have been using this strategy. What we call WTBS V1. This was volume 1, guys, combined with what, with TDS strategy of plus. Are you getting WTDS plus? What I have combined them now. So now it have been about scalping a little bit, intraday trading, somehow making our analysis to get deep inside, and then you have learned everything. So I'm going to show you another thing what you will be using to scalp, specific for scalping. I'm going to clean everything, and then we go now to see scalp. Yes, I'm cleaning everything. We are on H1. What we have to do, we have to go back on a daily time frame. Yeah, bang, we are on the daily time frame. So now, are you ready? Scalping is different between swinging, between intraday trading. So we scalpers, we only take few minutes in the market, and the way how we get our bias, it's very different, like how I have been showing you. Because this is a big class, you have to pay attention to stay. Make sure you be having your popcorns there, and then grabbing them. You see, having your corns there, eating. This is a big class now. It's amazing. I'm feeling so happy, guys, sharing with you. What are you eating now? Just drop in a comment there. For me, I have my little apple here, just chewing small, and with my little bit Coca-Cola here. Yes. Yeah. Now this is a gold strategy which I'm going to show you right now. Hey, get a pen and a paper. Fast warm your hands. Are you ready? Yeah, so let's go. First and foremost, what we have to do to come on a daily time frame, we see like now, this is our daily time frame, and if I'm going to trade now, I do this. Yes. So I don't know if the setup is already gone or it's still there. I don't know now. Yes. Time for the bang now. Yes, prepare your MT5. What we are getting here now is just we're executing it. Then I wish it is on the live so that you can execute there and then, but I think I'm going to upload it very fast before the setup goes. So what do? We come here on the daily time frame. What we have to get, we get our is it they call it horizontal or vertical. We get our vertical line. Let me first go to look this the line here, and then I put it, and then we come back. Where is our lines? Where do we always get lines, guys? We get them here. Let me add it. Yes. We don't need this. We need our vertical line. It is added there. So we get our vertical line. This is our line. What we mark this presently day like this. We put our vertical line there. After putting there like that, then we lock it. After locking it so it's not moving, stay there. So what do we see here right now? What do you see? When you wake up in the morning, bro, hey, listen to me properly. I don't want to come back here and then you're asking my gold killing strategy. Bro, so when you wake up in the morning, make sure it's 7 o'clock in the morning. Prepare yourself, come on daily time frame. When you come on a daily time frame at 7 o'clock exactly, do like this. Get your vertical line, mark it on the daily time frame like that, lock it, leave the market, close the market and go. Leave like that. Then come back at exactly 9 a.m. o'clock. Are you see what is now? It is 10. Let me see. It is 10:35. It is 10:35. You come exactly 9, and between 9 and 11, there it's when you start finding the setup. So we have done that exactly. What we have after doing that, we just run as we can to minute 5. Now, before we leave the daily, this daily time frame, it shows us what our daily bias. If you find that the daily at around this time, it's blue, we look for the buy no matter what. If it is red, we look for the sell. This daily candle gives us what? Give us bias at the direction, which means the other hours which are following, they will keep going up. Do you see that? They will keep going up. We are scalping just 15 minutes. We are run from the market. That's what we do. So we go to directly to minute 15 or minute 5 to start looking for the setup. So the market have already, the chart it's loading. Now we are on 15 minutes. What do we have here on 15 minutes? This is what we have. We can see that the market, it have been making the high highs, high lows when the day opens. Yesterday, when it closed with these equal highs here. With these equal highs, when it opens, it have took them off. After taking them off, and then we have these lows here, which have not been taken off. We have this low here, we have this low here, we have this low here. Do you see? So we have not took off any of the lows. So we have to wait this market now come and takes off this low, because this low is the one has made all of this goes up. This low is the one we have to wait to be taken off this. We extend our line like that. You see, now we are looking for the setup to be taken off. Are you getting the point? If that to be taken off, we are looking for the buys to be taken off. So if that taken off, where the market would come, where the market is going to come, the market is going to come around this area. The market, we expecting the market to come at around this area. This is our what area? This red candle here, we do like this, we highlight it like that. So we wait the market to come in that area. Take this line, comes back inside of that area, and then we go up. So we have to do what? We have to wait something. We have to wait something happen here to go deep. To go deep, we want this. So this setup is not looking good as well. It's not looking good as well, because what I was needing before this happened, this low here could be already taken off. Do you see this low here? It was supposed to be taken off by this leg, this to be taken off by this leg. Do you see? Because we was needing something like this after the day opening. After the day opening, it comes up, comes down, comes up like that, comes down. Are you getting the point? That's like this. This is what we was supposed to be having, like that. You see, it takes off. If you can see that this high for the yesterday takes off, and this low for the yesterday also takes off. Let me use another line. This, do you see, this should be taken off like that. So if that day be getting taken off, we want something here like this. It gives us our entry to come and they take off this which have take this off like that. The market come and takes it off there, and they come back here to our order block here like that, and then we go up for the buys. So if we can see this, if you can see this here, here it's not down, it's not here. If you can see it, we don't have it here. So by which means we have to keep waiting. I don't see the setup here right now. If we try to force things, the market we will crash us. The market will crash us. You see, we want this something to happen here. So why do we need this? Because this will be what? Accumulation phase here. We have here accumulation, and after getting that accumulation, here we have what? We have like fake out. The market takes all of this liquidity around this area, around that area. That liquidity would be taken out. Are you getting the point? And then they come to take out also this, the upper side. Are you getting the point? After taking that upper side, they will come to what? To fill these gaps here, these favorable gaps, to make the market to be balanced. It's when we execute the market around this area. Are you getting the point? So it's when we execute and then we target this area here. We target this area. We come here and execute, and then we take the market around this area or up here. We target 1 to 2. Where is our 1 to 2? Yes, that is area 1 to 2. You see, that is what we needing. We have to wait this setup, exactly what you see here, to happen here, by which means now the high it is taken out. We have to wait the market start making the lower lows and lower highs, which will give us this pattern that we take the market. This is what we need here. We need that the market makes this low, makes high here. Oh, what happened to the chart? Makes this low, makes a high here. The chart can becoming crazy. This is what we need. The market here make the low, make a high here, come and make a low, make a low here, makes a high, makes a low, like that. Do you see? And then you make a high here, you make a low, like that. So if we see this in the market, that means that in minute 15 we are making a downtrend. Are you getting the point? We wait until this minute 15 shift from the downtrend, because the downtrend is the one which is going to give us the pattern. When the market, after making this, takes off this, by which means this, it is accumulation. Now it have first to be taken on the upper side, we have to wait. They take it, this accumulation on the lower side, they take, or now they have took all the buyers out, the sellers, they have took them out. We have to wait these early buyers to be taken out also. When they take them out, then we wait this leg which have been making this the 5-minute 15 downtrend. Are you getting? They shift, the market shift from a selling side or selling bias to align on the same direction of our daily time frame, what's showing us it is a buy. Are you getting the point? So that the market start making the high, which means it have to come and take this low here. When it takes that low like that, yes, it's now we will know that it's time to go. We wait, it pulls back. When it pulling back, it will come here, make what? Make a head, inverted head and shoulder. If we can use our trend line, M5 WTDS volume 1 counter trend, we can draw here our trend line like that. We wait the market to break, come back and make a retest with a bullish engulfing. After retesting here, you execute, or you can use the trend line here like that. You wait the breakout with a momentum candle, you execute, stop loss below. If we can use our sniper entry, we wait this area here on the line chart, we mark here. After getting this low here, get taken out, and it aligns with us that now it's time to go what? To go up, is when we will put here our pending order on the sniper area, bro, so that we wait the market to come back and fill our orders, and then we target this area to be taken up, and we go up like that. You see? So for now, bro, this is the setup. We have to wait and we see what will happen. Yes, we add other hours, bro. Now it's approaching 11 o'clock. We have still waiting, and if that has not happened, bro, we will wait tomorrow and we see what the day will telling us. Remember, in high time frame, now this is for scalping. In high time frame, bro, what we have analyzed it, and we know, you see that we have also a sale setup. We wait this overall this low to be broken. If this low get broken, we have to wait the market comes back on the H1 order block up. Are you getting the point? Order block up, and when we will execute around this area, guys, you do the same thing what we have been doing here, and then you take the market down. Always be flexible. If the market shows you to sell, you sell. If it shows you to buy, you buy. Always be flexible, not to be fixed at the same time. So, bro, yes, that is what we have. Make sure to drop a comment, bro, there, that you have learned something. Oh, your question, I will answer you there, bro. Drop there your question in the comment section, so that I will answer you question, bro. I'm so glad. Keep in mind that risk money management is the key. Always choose one trading style. Follow those rules, don't break them. If you break them, bro, this market is not joking. It's not our dad, our family, no one who having a hand in this market, bro. They will not forgive us. They just crush you like nothing. You see? Always be with the discipline. Always be what? You be with the discipline. So that's what I have for you today. And I'm going to drop again the live. Make sure to stick around. When you get notification, bro, just come on the live. Yes, if you have learned something big from this, go on and hit that subscribe button, so that you don't need to miss this VIX75 tips and tricks, what we always say around here. And if you want to be in touch with me, go on there in the description box. You will find my contacts there, my email there, my website is there, but the website is down. I took it down because, yes, I don't have some command right now. You know, if you watched my trading journey video, I think you understand the situation I'm in right now. So yeah, that's why I took down off the website. It's not working. So my WhatsApp is there. We can chat on WhatsApp. And if you want to join other traders who are in the Trader Dives family, also the family channel is there in the description box there. Go and check it. Come and join us, come and join other traders, and then we make this big. And another thing, bro, I can't come up without, guys, thank you, without thanking you so much. We have hit our 4,000 subscribers. It's a big milestone. That is the power what you feel that I'm having right now, bro. I'm thanking everyone who will be there for me, who watched all of the videos which I always post, who share the videos, who comment, bro. Thanks so much. And this, it is so giving me power to keep moving, bro. You know, if you have not watched this video, also me, I'm not there, because the more you watch, the more I get the power to upload, the more other traders they will watch, and all of us who will learn. If you don't comment, if you don't ask question, I will not also learn from your question. I will not change anything. If you don't give advice, you see. So I need you guys, comment there, just comment, put your comment there down. Tell me anything, what you feel to tell me. Don't keep quiet to watch the video up the end and then you keep quiet. You don't say anything. Say if you have seen any mistake I did, comment there, I will fix. If you want to understand something, comment there, I will do it, bro. Yes, we have to move together, bro. This is not a joking, it's our seriously moving journey, bro. Yes. Yeah. And no, we are in the December season. Everyone is exciting to go and buy what? A Christmas trees, gifts for the family and friends. Yeah. So pretty. I wish everyone a Merry Christmas, and I can't wait to see you to the next year. Much love. Things big are coming. Much love. Happy New Year. See you today, moon. See you to the sky, all the way up, bro. Yeah, man.